The Mephisto Phoenix is the most powerful personal chess computer ever made. The ideal home chess station for players of all ages, experience levels, and playing strengths. Hi, it's Raphael with Chess House, helping you bring home the ideal chess set. Whether you want to experience the latest chess computing technologies or retro engines of the past, you can do so with this perfectly paired module of Phoenix as well as the tournament-size chessboard, 21.7 inches. Hand-carved chess pieces have RFIDs inside that provide lightning-fast sensing. As you make a move on the chessboard, the exact same move is shown instantly on the screen, and the LED lights also confirm everything that is happening. Not only is it the most powerful, I'd have to say it's the most beautiful electronic chess set available. The Phoenix will be your ideal partner for play as well as learning at home. There are various videos available to help walk you through what you can do with the Phoenix in your journey. There is also a Wi-Fi update, so at any point if there are updates to the module, you're able to get those seamlessly and enjoy the latest playing experience at all times. I hope you enjoyed this quick intro. Please watch the other videos to further explore what you can do and how you can enjoy the Phoenix.